2021 Honda Civic Sport 2.0. This is what it sounds like before. Go ahead. Absolutely quiet. Give it a guess. Barely any tone, dude. Here's sound decibels. Right at 83. So we're gonna take the resonator off and the muffler off and the tips off and replace it with a new carbon fiber tip, dual. Be a link in the description for it. And a spiral Netami muffler. Look at the spiral on this thing. Woo! Look inside of it. Really cool spiral. And what the spiral does is it cuts down on drone and gives it a really nice tone. Hey, that rhymes. All right, guys, we got a 2021 Honda Civic four-door coupe. Four-door coupe. That's a new one. Honda Civic four-door Sport 2.0 non-turbo. As you guys can see, what we got done on it. It's got the converter up here somewhere. There it is, right there. Then it goes over the front. And then we took the resonator off and put a Netami right there. Spiral. Part number NT1017 right there. There'll be a link in the description for it, guys. Then 2-inch pipe continues. Then we added and then we did a muffler delete that usually goes to one side. I'll show it to you guys in a second. Took it off and did a muffler delete. And then took off that ugly Honda Civic tip and put a carbon fiber tip in its place. Right there, 4-inch outlet. We'll have a link in the description for it also. All right? So muffler delete and resonator replacement. There's the resonator that comes on it right there. And there's the muffler that came on it with the ugly tip that we took off right there. So we hooked them up. I hope they like it. What do you guys think? They like it. They like it. Just wait till they hear it. They're going to really like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for us. Appreciate everything you guys do. Jump again? Give it gas? I told you they're gonna like it. Go ahead. You don't believe it, right? That's why I told you put that spiral on it. It gives it a nice tone. That sounds good. The Tommy spiral. Here's sound decibels. Again. 112, guys. Wow. I like it. It doesn't matter. We don't do it.
Hey, you get it.
We'll have you get in and do it.
Don't worry, I'll give you.
So this is the customer. He's gonna rev it. What do you guys think? You gotta get a tune for it, bro. A two-step tune. They plug it in the computer and it makes it louder. See how it stops it at 4,000 RPM? Just online. It's a plug and play. All right, guys, this is what it sounds like inside. It's 4,000 RPM, the stupid rev limiter. Let's see if we put it in neutral. It might not. It might get it. Yeah, it's still doing it. It's still clean though. It sounds really good. Tell us what you guys think. I like the setup on it too. It's clean.